Reprint technology. The annual consumption of office paper is 400 million tons. What if we could clean the paper after printing? Existing toner cannot be easily removed from paper. We propose using new reusable toner based on CO2 soluble polymers to make it possible. Using CO2 soluble toner allows us to clean the paper. The printed paper is placed into a reactor. CO2 is pumped into the reactor and the system is heated. The properties of the CO2 soluble polymer allows the toner to dissolve in the gas, resulting in its complete removal from the paper. The CO2 with dissolved ink is gradually flushed out of the reactor. In the next stage, the link participates, allowing us to send it for creating new toner, while the pure CO2 is pumped back into the reservoir. We get clean paper and raw polymer for making new ink, all white, not consuming any CO2. A printer cartridge filled with CO2 soluble toner is shipped from production to offices. Using paper is collected and sent to the cleaning facility. After cleaning, the paper is returned to the office, while the sent ink is sent back to the vendor for producing new toner.